I'm Drew West. I'm the Director of Physical Therapy for First Settlement Physical Therapy in Caldwell, Ohio.
I'm Aaron Hupp. I'm a physical therapist assistant for First Settlement Physical Therapy in Caldwell, Ohio.
I am Amber Stritz, and I'm an office manager with First Settlement Physical Therapy in Caldwell, Ohio.
When a patient comes in for therapy, they should expect a very fun environment, one-on-one care. We pride ourselves on continuity of care, just hopefully getting the best results that we can in the shortest amount of time possible.
One of the nice things about working in a clinic in the town that I grew up in is being familiar with the people and the families that we serve.
The advantage, I think, to working in the area where I grew up is I do know a lot of the patients that come in. I do have a personal relationship with many of them, and I think it just makes their experience coming here a lot more friendly. I think they feel more comfortable, and it's just very easy and kind of flows real well.
It's great working in a clinic that I grew up in because I know a lot of the patients. Some of them have been people I've grown up with, parents, friends, family members. Things like that you really get to appreciate when you've worked in another place and you don't know as many people. When you come back home and you actually work with people you know, it's a great benefit for me and for them, I think.
Some of my daily responsibilities include welcoming patients when they come in the door, registering them, scheduling them to come back, scheduling new referrals that we receive, handling insurance information, letting the patients know up front what their insurance covers as far as physical therapy benefits, and just answering any questions that they may have about their visits coming here.
I think something that would surprise a patient that comes to therapy here would be, I think we're known for being a small town, but there's a lot of experience with the therapists that we have here, and even some of the ones that rotate in and out that we have from other clinics, and they're going to be able to get the same care at home, you know, a block away from the courthouse that they could get if they would go to a larger city in the area.
We pride ourselves on eliminating pain, not producing any more pain. We do some things that are pretty fun. It's getting you back to function, so it's not just straight exercises, it's doing actual functional activities that you may be doing, sports-related, work-related, home activity-related, things like that.
I think my favorite part of interacting with the patients here is just getting to know them, even on a personal level, and we just have a real fun atmosphere here, so we just joke and have a good time, and I just think it makes their experience here a lot more fun and makes their physical therapy go a lot faster.
One of my favorite things about coming to work every day is just knowing that we're in there, we're here to help people. We have a schedule, we set it up, and people come in, they want to get better, and we're here to help them achieve that.
My favorite thing about coming to work every day, probably just seeing the patients and seeing them progress. When they actually come in and they start seeing the progress that we see, they're feeling better, they're becoming more motivated to get back to where they were before. That's probably the most rewarding thing that we see. And it's just a fun environment too. We have plenty of fun here. We try to make things as light as we can, so it's always a good time in Caldwell at least.
It makes me feel good to help people like that, especially to see somebody who's not living to their potential or getting to enjoy life, or even the small things that we take for granted. That's one of the really nice things about it is we work so close with them and we're with them for so long that we get to see those little progressions. Really hits home and it makes you feel good, like we're doing something good for people. It's not only a job, but it's something we can really help the community.